Good morning. Say the question number 14, exercise 1.3. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Sum of odd numbers. Odd numbers begin from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. So, first we should write the odd numbers. Odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay, 0 and 50. Between means from 1 plus 3 plus 5. The last number will be 49. Okay. Now, first term is 1. And the common difference is 2. A2 minus A1, that is 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. That is AN is 49. AN is 49. Okay. Now, by using the AN, let us find the N. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 49, that is A1 plus N minus 1 into D2. 49 equals to 1 plus 2N minus 2. 49 equals to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2N. Okay. Now, that is 49 minus 1 if transpose, that is plus 1 equals to 2n. 50 equals to 2n, then n equals to 50 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 25 are. N equals to 20. N equals to 25. We have to find the sum, that means Sn. Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. Why I have written that a plus an formula? Because last term is given, that nth term is given. If that is not given, you have to apply the main formula, that is Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here nth is given. In given section we have written that one. So Sn equals to n by 2 a plus an. So n, how much we got? 25 by 2. Then a 1 plus an 49. Okay, 25 by 2 into, that is 49 plus 1 50. 2 ones are 2 25s are. 25 25s are 625. So yes, 25 equals to 625. There are 25 terms between 0 and 50 odd numbers. What this means, n 25 means there are 25 terms between 0 and 50 of odd numbers. So sum of the 25 numbers, odd numbers, will be n by 2 in the big bracket a plus an. Like this, Sn equals to 625. Now write down this. See, this one is the verbal problem related to arithmetic progression. Just we have to read the problem carefully, then we have to set the AP terms. As usually we have to find the common difference, and what they have asked, we have to keep an eye on that part. So after knowing the problem very well, we should have to continue the for solving. See, a contractor on a construction job specifies a penalty of completion beyond a certain date as follows. See, there is a pattern of penalty in a construction work. So what we should have to write? We should have to write first penalty pattern. Penalty pattern, that is first for one day, first day 200, that's 250 plus 300, so A equals to 200, B equals to A2 minus A1, 250 minus 200, that is 50. Then third day, the penalty for each succeeding day being 50 more than preceding day. How much penalty, how much money contractor has to pay penalty if he delays the 30 days. See, this one is the first days, this one is the second days, up to 30 days, to 30 days. That means n equals to 30. We have to find yes 30. So first day work, second day work, third day work. This one is the 30 day. Now Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 30 by 2 into 200 plus n 30 minus 1 into d, that is 50. Okay, 2 ones are 2 15s are. This one is 15. 400 plus 29 into 50. 15 in the bracket 400 plus 29 5 9s are 45, carry 4 5 2s are 10. 45 carry 4 5 2s are 10 plus 4 40 50. Next S30 equals to 15 into, that is 1850, because 1400 plus 400 1850. So 15 zeros are 0, 15 5s are 75, carry 7, 15 8s are 120, that is 127, carry 12, 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 12 27. That is S30 equals to, for 30 days he has to pay penalty of rupees 27750. Okay, write down. See, the question number 16, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used. See, in a school they have collected 700 rupees. So 7 prizes has to be distributed for the students, those for the academic performances. So if each cash price is rupees 20 less, for example, if first price is 40, then second price will be 20. Like that, each price is 20 rupees less than its preceding price. Find the value of each price. So let A be the first price. Let us consider solution. Let A be the first price. Okay, then second price. A minus 20. Third price. Third price. A minus 20 minus 20. That is A minus 40. Like this. Now A minus 20, A minus 40, dash 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 dash. See, these are appearing in the AP form because common difference is same. What is that common difference? First A equals to A, B equals to A2 minus A1, A minus 20 minus A, that's plus A minus A cancel, that is minus 20. According to the problem, SN will be 700. SN 700. How many prizes to be used to given? 7 prizes. That is N equals to 7. N equals to 7. This is the preliminary preparation to solve the problem. Let A be the first prize, second prize will be A minus 20, third prize will be A minus 40 according to the statement what they have given. So I have formulated like this. A minus, these are the AP term. A equals to A, D equals to A minus 20 SN. According to the problem, 700. N, 7 prizes have to be distributed. So N equals to 7. Then let us apply the formula. SN equals to N by 2 in the big bracket, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. SN they have given 700. N by 2, 7 by 2. 2A, 2 into A plus N minus 1, 7 minus 1. D, that is minus 20. See, I have substituted what we have previously written, the values. So 700. 7 by 2, 2A plus 6 into minus 20. So 700, 7 by 2, 2A minus 120. 700 into 2 by 7 equals to 2A minus 120. 7 ones are 700, that is 200 equals to 2A minus 120. 200 plus 120 equals to 2A. Then 320 equals to 2A. Therefore A equals to 320 divided by 2. 2 ones are 260. A equals to 160. What is the A? First prize. $160. Second prize. Less than 20. $140. Third prize. How much? $120. Fourth prize. $100. Like this we have to continue the writing of the prices value. That is 7 prices we have. That is 7 prices. 160, 140, 120, 100. Right done. Okay, now question number 17. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school. In the school and around the school, they wanted to plant the trees to avoid the air pollution. The school reduced air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class. For example, if the first class student plant one tree, if there are three classes, that is 1 into 3, 3 plant they have to, 3 trees they have to plant. Then for second class, they have given in each section there are 3 classes. For example, for second standard 3 classes. Every class will have to plant one tree. That means 2 into 3, that is 6 plants for the second class. Then for third class, that means class 3, they have to plant, each class will have to plant one tree. There are 3 sections, so 3 into 3, 9. So totally there are 12 classes. That means up to PU second. So 12 trees are, that is 12 classes, 12 trees are last number of trees that 12th class student will have to plant. 12 trees are 36 plants, 36 trees they have to plant. So according to the statement of problem, let us write the mathematically the verbal statements. Okay, now 3 classes. Six. Okay. If we observe the number of plants, number of trees planted by the student, that appears obviously in AP. That means pattern. Up to 36. So A equals to 3, D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 6 minus 3, that is N equals to 36, Sn equals to question mark. Okay. An they have given. An equals to 36, Sn like this 36. Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. Sn equals to n by 2 a plus an. Okay. Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus n. How many classes are there? There are 12 classes. How many classes are there? There are 12 classes. So n equals to 12. N equals to 12. Then n by 2, 12 by 2 in the bracket a 3 plus an 36. an 36. Then first term 3an 36. 12 by 2 into 36 plus 3 39. 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 into 39. 6 nines are carry 5. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 5. 234 trees they have planted. Okay, my dear students, only 3 problems are remaining to complete these chapters. Let us continue tomorrow, and after finishing the chapter, we will give the assignment related to that chapter. You have to prepare that assignments within a 3 or 4 days. Then we want to inform you about the submission of June month test paper as well as the bridge course papers within short period. So be confirmed that whether you have completed or not. Okay, I hope all of you have completed. Then you are eager to show the fairs and everything to us. I hope all the best for you.